Hi mga gala, Judy here. Welcome to my channel, Cebuano101.com. In this lesson, I will teach you how to say, I will buy blank. Okay, we are going to fill in the blanks later. So, let's jump right into our lesson. So, I will buy. Mo palit ko og blank. Okay? Mo palit ko og. Let's break this down. I is ko. Mo palit. Okay, it is future progressive tense. Okay, mo palit. Okay, buy is mo palit, basically will buy. Okay, og is an objective article. That means there is an object in the sentence. Okay, it's like mo palit ko og. So what do you want to buy? So there should be og there as you put before the object. Okay, now we have here the sentence structure is we have the verb mo palit, then the subject ko, and then the object. Okay, guys, let's practice the pronunciation. Please repeat after me. Mo pa, okay, pa lit, mo palit, ko og mo palit ko og. Okay, now let's fill in the blank this time. Okay, we have three choices here. We have bread. For bread is pan, not pan, pan. Okay, for bread. And then for rice, we have bugas, bugas. Okay, bugas for rice. And then for fish, isda, isda. Okay, now let's try this one. Let's fill in the blanks. I will buy bread. Mo palit ko og pan. Mo palit ko og pan. Next, I will buy rice. Mo palit ko og bugas. Mo palit ko og bugas. Mo palit ko og bugas. And then the last one, I will buy fish. Mo palit ko og isda. Mo palit ko og isda. Okay? Now, let's recall. Let's have some review, guys. I'll have some questions for you here. What is will buy in Bisaya? What is will buy in Bisaya? That is mo palit. Mo palit. Now, the next one's very easy. What is I in Bisaya? What is I in Bisaya? That is ko. Ko. Not ko, okay? Ko. Ko. Next. What is bread in Bisaya? What is bread in Bisaya? Bread is pan. Pan. Okay, the P here is not aspirated, okay? Not, you should not pronounce, the pronunciation should not be pan. Okay, there's no p. It's not like that. It's just pan. Pan. Okay? Next, what is rice in Bisaya? What is rice in Bisaya? Rice is bugas. Bugas. Then the last one I think we have here, what is fish in Bisaya? Okay, what is fish in Bisaya? That is isda. Isda. Okay? I hope you learned something from this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like. That will really help my channel grow. And if you know somebody who wants to learn Bisaya, please share my videos to them. So I hope to see you guys next time. Daghang salamat and amping kanunay. Bye!